All right, guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So, more often than not, these videos when we create them, they're meaningful because it's a part of my life, the thing that I'm doing right now. Of course, when you film for viewers, you are thinking of stuff that people might like to do, but I'm heavily thinking of the people that I hang with. And I know I've always done jerk chicken. I think I deal with it pretty good. And Sarah and Jillian has been parring me for a while, and they have never had jerk chicken from me before. So I'm thinking that if I can try to make a really nice one for them and they also approve of it, then yeah, it means that I have the best jerk chicken in the world. I'm joking. But anyway, so funny enough, I had the tarp set up and I left Sarah and Jilly to start the fire, left the fire started and everything. And I see fire going, so I know that the fire is properly started and I'm happy about that. Now, yeah, I was talking about the purpose when you're doing these videos. Now, funny enough, where we're staying, the stove isn't the best. We probably couldn't even boil water on that stove. So doing outdoor cooking has become a necessary means to an end, which we love doing because I really love doing outdoor cooking. So we're gonna be doing jerk chicken on that today. I think you might have heard in the last video I did say we're gonna be cooking 2 dishes. Yeah, it almost rained. Being in St. Elizabeth, it didn't rain, but just for precautionary measures, we had the tarp set up, so it might be a little bit dark under there. But anyway, we're gonna get this jerk chicken ready, and you guys can tell me what you think. Hey, fire!
We have the fire started.
You don't want which one and catch other stuff.
For now, just this one, so we don't waste. So we're gonna do this one first. When the chicken gets like halfway done, we can start the other one. Not just yet. Right, so Sarah was just trying to put the grill over the fire, which you could do, but the first thing that I like doing with a jerk chicken is just getting the coals first. So when the coals are set and everything, then you can actually set up yourself. But right now we're just burning the wood so that we can get some coals first and then we can set our chicken down, and that's how I like to do it. So some red hot coals, never fire underneath. Alright, so we got a good amount of coals, not a lot, so just gonna spread all of this as much as I can far apart. So it's not too much heat. Let's try this again. Hmm? So I could use some of them rocks here as kind of like reflective heat because the rocks are super hot. So use it as reflective heat. Pull the sticks out a bit more. Just a bit of coal. Put my hand here. It's pretty hot. It's really hot. So Jill just brought some banana leaves. These are really big. Alright, but this is from a mature tree, so they have more than enough. And we're gonna use that to cover the meat. And she added some water to it to, for some moisture and also to clean off the leaf as well. So we're gonna get right on that soon. Alright, had to readjust the fire and make sure it's all good. I think we should be okay now. Now that the banana leaves are here and everybody. What I was taught or what I learned about jerking chicken like years ago is that when the Africans were here, they would have to jerk the chicken underneath the ground. The main reason for that was to realize all the smoke is here. It's so that the English or whoever was trying to chase after them to capture them and stuff would not see the smoke and give away their position. So when it was underground, all that smoky flavor just crept into the meat and crazy, man. If you guys know a better history than me, make any corrections to whatever I might have said just now, but that's the basic concept. Now, of course, we have the chicken. Chicken's been marinated for 2 days.
Yeah.
It's like 2 whole days. Oh. So because we know that Jillian is here, and Jillian's belly is very long, we have to make sure that we have a chicken and a half, because this part, Sarah and I will see. I'll take the leg and Sarah take the thigh, and this is for Jilly. Yeah, beat me.
I'll sure that banana.
Alright, so I'll put this together. Again, heat check, make sure that's good. So this is really big, so gotta downsize it a bit. Because I'm somewhere that has a lot of sand, it's gonna make it tricky, but whatever. So here we have 2. Yep.
You want to stone?
One more there. And give me this one more. And this one there. Leave that there. Let it smoke and slow cook. Wow, and the sun starts to kind of come back out, but like they say, it's better to be prepared, right?
True.
Just as prepared as you are for this food to go in your mouth. I can see it there. Yeah, Ben. Yo, the vibe. Just waiting. Alright, you can see where the banana leaf kind of is curled over because the sticks are kind of out. But there's a lot of heat that's pumping from these, man, so you gotta pull them away. You can smell it, right? Oh. Do a slight little check, make sure my temperatures are right. Yep. Looking good. Looking real good. So our marinade, our jerk marinade to be specific, is gonna be used as the rub to keep the chicken moist. I mean, everybody knows that. And we're gonna try to make a little brush. Somehow. Don't have enough scallions. Usually I'd like to use like a fresh whole thing of it, but that's okay. So my favorite parts about cooking outdoors is sometimes you leave stuff. You just have to make do with what you have. So we have the scallion, we have the thyme. I could maybe use one of these things here. One of the old scallion stalks. I mean, you could hold it together with your hand, no problem. But if there's something there to kind of, add a bit of structure, you won't complain, would you? So that means when I put this back in the bowl, it won't just, well, it shouldn't so easily just fall apart. Aha, so my basting brush. Alright, so I remove the top. Kind of use how much dryness on the banana leaf as a indicator to how hot the flames or the heat is. But I like turning the chicken several times during the cook, as opposed to just looking once and then going, oh, it's burnt. I don't know, for me maybe it's mind over matter, but that's how I do it. So first flip, very first flip. Oh no, my skin.
I can smell that from up top.
Damn, I'm so upset. My skin, skin pulled off. But that happens. Something looks really weird with this chicken. As in, it was twisted.
Oh.
Yeah, because I was like, why is the thigh?
Right now, flat out like that.
Yeah, well, I never got it. Oh, wait, no. It's normally rib cage down for me. Anyway. What's going on? My meats. So I was talking about this, like you see the heat. Oh, it kind of dried out that leaf, but the leaf is mainly there for chopping the smoke. That's its main job. It might add a little bit of moisture as well, but the main job is chopping the smoke. All right, we'll leave it there for a bit longer. You know, when that them village people sitting by the fire away when the food we cook, that's how we look. See you feel? I just gave him a piece of the skin because the skin got attached to the grill. How is it so far?
Nice.
Is that?
Nice bad.
Flavor is there, it have that nice amount of spice, but not like. But then normally got pan man got other jerk chicken and pork I might take. But this is bad.
Alright, so make some festival mixture. Had it put down for probably like an hour and a half going to. Maybe my consistency might get a little bit off, but let's see how this goes. Got the fire ready over there to fry up these festivals really quick. How it smells though? It smells good.
It smells good to me. Mm-hmm.
Smells good, but let's see if the texture is right. Yeah, but we want our frying pan on to everybody, so be on the right time. All of that oil in there. I need some from the other bottle as well. Smaller. And it should be thin. Of course, it's gonna shrink back together, but don't watch that.
Serious business, isn't it?
True, true.
I have to concentrate because once it's spoiled.
I think in a sorry, if I find which part I fire hot, you know.
Yeah, the other side.
Like it, around this hotter, you see over there, so the golden brown. Kind of move these around here. Them a look soft already, you know, brother.
Yeah, them are nice too.
Them a nice, have a buzz.
So I approve.
You know, say me eat down at Elcha all the time, so me know the vibes. You see me I say? Just if you eat food one time, you must take time and just master the recipe.
No, I just talk good to them really quick. It's me always saying, me always with the street food vendor them would really make some of this a festival the same speed with the chicken, you know? Top give man bread, cause man don't want to live by bread alone.
No.
You know what I mean?
Remember you walk on stretcher at the festival, man.
You remember?
Festival, yeah.
Yeah, me don't see that dream weekend. Bomb for not. We not forgetting that, brother. You did me I say, yo, let's be a bread.
One man, but I never made it really wine.
But the night before somebody sent me chicken on festival and brother, and me I say, yo.
Shot, so you couldn't find him again.
Yeah man, couldn't find back the G. To me, the festival makes me have that down lock in my brain.
It's better than Elsha. It's like a better than Elsha.
Why? I don't think Hellshot's festival can get better. I think Hellshot's festival is the pinnacle. That's what your festival should be, and that's it. So if you're, yeah. Yeah, so make you say, yo, yeah, better than whatever, no, taste like it.
Yeah.
test run, you know. Make sure so none of them raw, cause one thing with festivals are just flour. In a general, you think say it ready, but boy,
Stretch.
see it a stretch go here. I said, John was like, I make a gummy beer. Yeah. Yeah, Angelique can go try it.
Beans. Come taste your word.
It cook? Yeah, definitely cooked.
You can see the inside.
Yeah, it's cooked too. Alright, bring the bowl. Let me check out these because it's done. And I'm about to forget over fried and oily.
Yep. It ain't gonna be nice after that.
And then a nice after that. Oh,
What up?
the chicken. Oh my god, you got me nervous, bro. Tastes nice? Alright, sorry, open and taste it before. Can't focus on cooking. Cooking and filming is
Hard work.
it's hard work. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, inside.
The reason with this one because I added cornmeal this time. I wanted to try corn. I don't normally make my festivals with cornmeal, even though it's generally a common place. But I don't like it with cornmeal.
Yeah, we
Caramel.
can make it stay another something that you
Yeah.
out part.
Alright, let's finish off this.
Vanilla!
Festival so good. Even vanilla approves, bro. Don't mess with her. She love her food that we made them.
I can't eat it, man, before I give Blondie. You there, a girl off for me. 5, 4.
You want to try again? She's not gonna give me them festivals, trust me.
She annoyed. Like she
I tell
annoyed.
you, she'll give me the dead stare there, you know.
She's very annoyed with you right now.
Who you think you're barking and growling after? Huh? Huh? I was coming over here to break it up for you because I realized that it was still a little bit hot. But no. No, Vanilla. Don't you mean no.
5, 4.
You see this? You see what you do? Come, tell me sorry. Lick it and tell me sorry. You not tell me sorry?
Oh, she's not sorry.
You get vexed.
She's gonna come to me.
She fully vexed. You say you want ketchup on top of me?
Ketchup, please.
Alright.
That's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sun just about to set.
Because next fast food, you know, but let me try. I actually feel like maybe I had a pan chicken right now. The only thing that tastes better. I don't normally order jerk chicken, guys. You know,
We all
it's
know,
nice,
whenever
yeah.
say I order that pants in there, whenever they it.
But steamed jerk can get ordered, you know? I mean, steamed jerk chicken can get ordered.
You know, I never think to say. How is it? How is it? It's good. Oh, it's definitely not my best jerk chicken, but it's okay.
No? I can't compare to what I used to do because I never had it.
Okay,
So
sounds good.
what I'm having now,
It's good.
you can taste the spice. Well marinated. Really done. I know you're a perfectionist, and because it's not up to what you're used
You
to,
can hear it in my voice. I'm
you know, you're
so
like a mood,
frustrated.
but snap out of it. Nice.
Come, miserable girl. Miserable life. Come. Not sure.
So face can compress from the other way.
No, treat hot man. In time when it touches, so stay. Come.
And they see us.
Them can't see it. Yo, we're tired.
Bad.
That's all, we're tired, bad. But anyway, so we're going to end the video right here. So remember these three things.
Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the lake.
Handful.
Yeah, handful, but